In this video, I show you how to make this fenugreek and hibiscus hair conditioner that will boost your hair growth to the next level. This conditioner will stimulate hair follicles that will in turn promote healthy hair growth. I use fenugreek seeds. The fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein, which are two of the major essential nutrients that our hair requires. It contains a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. Over 80% of study participants who were given fenugreek supplements reported increased volume of hair growth and thickness. Fenugreek has long been used to treat conditions that lead to dry, irritated skin and scalp, including dandruff, a condition which is marked by itchy, flaky scalp. So if you're experiencing hair loss, alopecia, or anything of that sort, you can start using fenugreek in your hair care, and this will help soothe the skin of the scalp and heal the scalp because of its anti-inflammatory properties. So fenugreek extract will help to improve the moisture, and it will reduce any skin conditions and scalp conditions that you may be experiencing. Last but not the least, fenugreek delays premature graying of the hair because it has ample amounts of copper that helps to stop and reduce graying of the hair. The next ingredient that I used is the dried hibiscus petals. The dried hibiscus petals is used for the fact that hibiscus is good for hair growth as it's rich in amino acids, a prime building block of keratin. Keratin is the protein that nourishes, strengthens, and binds the hair roots. Hibiscus is known to improve the buildup of keratin and boost the formation of new hair follicles, thereby stimulating hair growth. So if you are experiencing any form of hair fall or any form of hair condition that is not favorable to you, then you want to start using hibiscus in your hair care. So this aesthetically beautiful red flower that we normally see has amazing benefits for our hair and skin. So it keeps the hair healthy and conditioned. It thickens and volumizes the hair, and it treats dandruff while also preventing split ends. So if you are going through any form of split ends, then you want to start incorporating hibiscus in your hair care regime, and also it decreases hair loss. So this flower is not just pleasing to the eye, but it's also rich in some properties for our hair. It's also high in vitamin C, and as we know, vitamin C is very good for the hair. Last but not the least, it also prevents premature graying of the hair. So there we have it, two perfect ingredients to help restore healthy hair. The next step we take in making our conditioner is we soak both of them overnight with good amount of water to help soften both the fenugreek and the hibiscus petals. So you soak them overnight, and this will help soften both of them because they're both in the dry state. And then once it's softened overnight, you can get ready to blend it. You blend both of them with good amounts of water because the fenugreek will always swell up. So you blend with good amounts of water and you blend until it's very, very smooth. So you would need a powerful blender. In this video, I'm using my Vitamix to blend it, which is very powerful. So even if you don't have a Vitamix, you can still use any blender. You just have to blend until very smooth. So as you can see there, it's thickened and it's the fenugreek that gives it the thick consistency. So it's so thick and it's so rich and creamy, you could actually eat it as well. So you get yourself a muslin bag, and what we're going to do is that we're going to strain it. We're going to strain it so that we don't get any bits. So we don't want any bits in our hair. So there, I'm pouring it into the muslin bag, and look at that thick, creamy, pink extract. This is homemade conditioner, and your hair will love it. When you put this in your hair just absorbs it, and your hair gets nourished with all the properties that I discussed earlier. People, you must give this a try because it's so intriguing, and your hair for the first time will be so nourished. People, look, we've got to reduce the toxic load in our hair and skincare. So you can add an essential oil of your choice, and this will make it smell even nicer. And oh my goodness, in this one I'm using a cold pressed cucumber essential oil because I love the smell of the cucumber essential oil. And people, voila, this is ready to be applied into your hair. So you can put it in a squeeze bottle. And this can be good for your skin as well because the properties that I discussed. So anything that is good for your hair should be also good for your skin. People, this is amazing. So I'm pouring it into a jar, and with this one, because I've put the essential oil in it, it can stay for some time without going off. Again, you can add a preservative if you want to, but in this case I didn't add a preservative, just an essential oil. And people, voila, this is ready to go in your hair. Once you put it in your hair, I'll do a video where I show you how I apply it. But once you put this in your hair, the shine, the bounce, your hair is like singing hallelujah. It is amazing. So these two ingredients will stimulate hair growth like wow. So I hope you try it. Stay tuned in, and thank you for watching. Bye.